Sardinia is one of the most desirable real estate destinations in Europe. But buying, selling, or investing here requires more than opportunity. It requires structure, strategy, and the right guidance. My name is Francesco Mele. I am a real estate agent and property consultant based in northern Sardinia, with over 20 years of experience working with international clients and investors. Through my work, I help clients access, evaluate, and secure real estate opportunities with clarity, safety, and long-term vision. What makes our approach different is that we operate through an integrated structure. Move to Sardinia manages construction, new developments, and property management. Homes in Sardinia focuses exclusively on property sales. And Sardinia Investment, based in Prague, connects qualified international investors with real opportunities in Sardinia. This ecosystem allows us to manage every phase of the real estate process, from acquisition to development and investment. This channel was created to share real, professional and transparent information about the Sardinia real estate market. Here, you will find market insights, legal and technical explanations, real case studies, and strategic guidance for buyers and investors. My goal is not simply to promote properties, but to help you understand the market and make informed, intelligent decisions. Many of the videos you will see here are recorded directly by me. In some cases, you may also see a digital avatar representing me. This allows me to deliver consistent, high-quality information across international audiences. However, every video is personally supervised, reviewed, and approved by me. This is my official channel, and every piece of information reflects my professional experience and my commitment to transparency. Welcome to my official channel, and welcome to Real Estate in Sardinia.